Hey, check this out. We got a train coming. There goes the gates down the road there. There goes these ones. This might be the rock train. Oh, looks like, oh, nope, it's the local. Okay. Cool. Shooting straight into the sun. He gave me a wave when he went by. That's pretty cool. Hey, that was a good one. Haven't caught them in a while. I don't know if that was the rock train or not, but I do know we got one. That's local right there. There is a rock train coming. But alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.